Adobe Edge Animate CC is a motion graphics creation tool for the web. Using Edge Animate, you can create animation and interactivity to produce visuals such as banner ads, slideshows, animations, and other forms of rich media. In this course, we're going to discuss the importance of Adobe Edge Animate CC in the creation and design of animation and interaction on the web today. We're going to discuss the importance of Adobe Edge Animate CC in the creation and design of animation and interaction on the web today. We'll also explore when and how you should use Edge Animate, as well as how it can be used in conjunction with other Adobe programs. Once you're familiar with the purpose of the program, we'll delve into the features of the program itself, teaching you step-by-step how to use it to create stunning visuals, animations, and complex interaction. Since the dawn of the internet as we know it, Adobe Flash has been the go-to program for creating animation and interactivity such as you'd see in banner ads, videos, and online games. In those days, internet technology was still evolving. The majority of web pages were coded in earlier versions of HTML or XHTML. In order to display interaction or animation on these web pages, you needed a plugin. More specifically, you needed a Flash plugin. Today, however, with the advent of HTML5 in conjunction with JavaScript and CSS3, browsers are able to display interaction and animation without the need for a plugin or for Flash. Instead, interaction and animation can be integrated into web pages. Users who wish to view the animation no longer need to have Flash Player or Adobe Air to be able to view the animation. The internet has been around long enough now that we all know what a hassle it is to try to view a video or play a game online, only to be told you need to update your Flash Player, or worse, it needs to be installed again. Edge Animate CC lets you create animation that doesn't require Flash, or present the headaches that Flash can give those who view your work on the internet. If you wanted to create a Flash video, it goes without saying that you could use Adobe Flash Builder. There are also more than several other programs on the market that will allow you to create Flash animations to put on your web page. However, as HTML5, CSS5, and JavaScript began to emerge as a way to create animation and interaction, the programs to help you create these things did not. This means that motion graphics and interaction still had to be coded by hand. While this is possible to do for an experienced designer or coder, it's still very time-consuming and difficult. Adobe Edge Animate gives designers and animators an intuitive interface and familiar tools to use to bring their projects to life. The ability to keyframe motion makes adding animation quicker and easier than if you had to write the code by hand. For designers and animators who have used other Adobe programs, such as Premiere Pro or After Effects, this will be familiar and simple. In addition, other tools such as shapes, transformations, and typography give the same ease to creating animation and interaction as Photoshop gives to image editing. The one thing that you don't want to do is confuse the purpose of Adobe Edge Animate CC with Adobe Dreamweaver. Since both programs create content with CSS3 and HTML5, it's important to know the different purposes that they serve. Adobe Dreamweaver is to create website design and navigation. You can use Dreamweaver to create an entire website without having to know how to write a lot of CSS or HTML5. Adobe Edge Animate CC is used to create animated or interactive visuals that you might implement into your website. For example, you would create an animated banner ad in Adobe Edge Animate, then integrate that banner ad on your Dreamweaver site. Whereas Dreamweaver creates web pages, it can be said that Edge Animate creates elements. This course was designed to teach you how to successfully use Edge Animate, no matter if you've ever used the program before or not. Both the beginner and seasoned user can benefit from this course, starting with the basics of the program, including navigation and continuing on to more advanced features. You don't need to have access to Edge Animate to take or complete this course, however, it is recommended. Please note that a 30-day free trial of Edge Animate CC is available on the Adobe website. We've broken this course down into multiple lessons to make it easier for students to study and practice the program. Each lesson details different features of Edge Animate and provides step-by-step instructions on how to use them. At the end of each lesson, you'll find a lesson exercise and lesson assignment. The lesson exercises were designed to test you on the material presented in that lesson. Lesson exercises are graded, therefore they're mandatory. Lesson assignments give you a chance to practice what you've learned in the lesson by using Edge Animate. These are optional and don't affect your grade, but it is encouraged that every student try to complete them. The first time that you open Adobe Edge Animate, you'll be treated to a welcome screen with several tabs. The What's New tab will be displayed when the program opens. Under the What's New tab, you'll find the newest improvements and updates to the program. As we said, since it's a cloud-based program, improvements and updates can happen every few months. Let's zoom in to see what's new in this version. The next tab is the Getting Started tab. Under this tab, you'll find short videos that teach you basic features of Adobe Edge Animate CC. These are short videos. They're not in-depth, they're meant to teach you the program. They run in-app, which means within the program, and give you a simple and quick run-through. The next tab is the Resources tab. Here you'll find resources to help you as you use Adobe Edge Animate. The final tab is Quiet. This is just a black screen. You can put it on quiet so you're not distracted by the content under the other tabs. On the left side of the welcome screen, you'll find options to open or create a file. Let's go ahead and click Create New.